Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix iPhone 13 white screen. Most of us always have faith in Apple. So, encountering white screen of death on iPhone 13 could make us shocked. The screen goes white completely and it doesn't respond to the touch, tap or swipe. Don't panic when your iPhone 13 seems unusable with a blank white screen. This video will explain what causes white screen of death issue on iPhone 13. Then, we'll present multiple effective methods to eliminate this problem for good. Let's get to it. Why did the iPhone 13 screen go white? The white screen of death, which is short for VSOD, is a system issue when your device screen goes blank just showing white light. The following is the possible causes for the iPhone 13 white screen of death. The hardware components are broken, such as the LCD display connectors and the graphics chipset. A buggy iOS update is messing up the operating system, rendering iPhone 13 white screen issue. The process of jailbreaking your phone fails. A background app is interfering with the system's process. You make a mistake on the zoom feature configuration. Next, we'll show you how to fix iPhone 13 white screen of death. Make sure to try them one by one in the order we present them in the following. Step 1. Restart iPhone 13. Let's start with the easiest trick. Press both the volume up button and power button together until you see the power off slider. Drag it to the right to shut down. The white screen should go away and be replaced by a black screen. 15 seconds later, press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo screen. If a restart fixes the white screen of death on iPhone 13, your device will turn on and load the lock screen. Then, the white screen issue should be related to a malfunctioning app or triggered screen magnification. First, remove the apps that you think go awry. Second, go to Settings app, tap Accessibility, tap Zoom, and make sure the zoom slider is on off status. Step 2. Force restart iPhone 13. What if you can't do a restart because your iPhone 13 is stuck on a white screen that's unresponsive? Attempt to force restart your iPhone 13. The steps also work on an iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max. It enables you to only use buttons to do a power cycle without touching the screen. Now, follow these steps to do it. You will have no risk of losing data. Quickly press the volume up button, volume down button, and then keep holding the side button until the Apple logo shows up again. As mentioned above, if you see the lock screen finally, it means that white screen of death on iPhone 13 is fixed successfully. You can make a few attempts. Step 3. Cool down iPhone 13 and do a forced restart. Is the device hot when your iPhone 13 displays white screen of death? If the answer is yes, then, cool it down for a while. After that, do a force restart again. Quickly press the volume up button, volume down button, and then keep holding the side button until the Apple logo shows up again. Inspect if your iPhone 13 gets out of the white screen and boots up to the lock screen. Step 4. Update the iOS software. This iPhone 13 white screen fix dives deeper to fix the system-related bugs. You're required to connect the device to a PC or a Mac, put it into recovery mode, use iTunes or Finder to upgrade the system, and then you're good to go. Rest assured that the recovery mode is introduced by Apple officially to fix software-related issues without causing data loss. Now, follow these steps to troubleshoot iPhone 13 stuck on white screen issues. Grab a USB cable to connect your iPhone 13 to a PC or a Mac. Open iTunes or Finder after you install the application. The next step is to get into recovery mode. Again, it's a safe iPhone 13 white screen solution to attempt. Alright, quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button and then release. Press the power button and keep holding it until you see the recovery mode, a screen showing a laptop and a cable with a link pinned at the top. There it is. Keep your device connected to the computer. From the iTunes or Finder window, you should see a dialog box with update and restore options. If not, click your device icon and the dialog box will pop up. From there, click the update option. It'll keep popping up a few windows to let you confirm. Just click accept, yes, or something like that until the update process is triggered. The process often takes 1 hour, which sometimes will be longer if the internet speed is low. Once done, your iPhone 13 should turn on automatically. Hope it successfully fixes your iPhone 13 stuck on the white screen. If not, keep moving. Step 5. Restore iPhone back its factory settings. Doing a restore is your final attempt before going to the Apple Repair Center. You're required to connect the device to a PC or a Mac, put it into recovery mode, use iTunes or Finder to trigger a reset, and then you're good to go. As it wipes your iPhone 13 data and reinstall the iOS software, the errors leading to white screen of death will be permanently removed. Now, we'll show you how to fix white screen on iPhone 13 via a restore. You'd better attempt this trick after you're assured that you have backups somewhere. Grab a USB cable to connect your iPhone 13 to a PC or a Mac. Open iTunes or Finder after you install the application. The next step is to get into recovery mode. Alright, quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button and then release. Press the power button and keep holding it until you see the recovery mode. Keep your device connected to the computer. From the iTunes or Finder window, you should see a dialog box with Update and Restore options. From there, click the Restore option. There are some on-screen instructions needed to finish. After you complete, the reset process will be triggered, which also often takes 1 hour. If the white screen of death issue is caused by software, this step should get your iPhone 13 back to normal functioning. Step 6. Here the Apple experts' advice. Nothing works till now. It's time to inspect the hardware. Unlike a computer, there's no built-in troubleshooting utilities in your iPhone 13 to identify the hardware problems. Maybe the phone experiences a single fall or water touching or a single scratch on the phone body, and the screen fails to work. And it's obviously hard to determine if the chip or connector of the display LCD are damaged. So, just book an appointment at a nearby Apple authorized service center to have it repaired. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 13 stuck on white screen of death. If you find this video helps, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.